The internet is full of resources on using HTML and CSS. I want to show you, I've created some links for you that send you to some more straightforward resources. So in this lesson that you're on right now, the ugly website lesson, if you scroll to the bottom where it says resources, W3schools is probably one of the best websites for people that are learning how to program in HTML and using CSS as well. So I created a link for W3schools, and whenever you're Googling anything, using W3schools as their resource is probably one of the best ways to get to know how to use this. And W3schools uses what's called open source coding, meaning anything you use from their website can be put right onto your website without giving them any credit. So I'm going to show you how to use the W3schools resource so that you're understanding what parts of their lessons are helpful for you. So if you click on the link that I gave you for W3schools, it brings up all of these options. HTML, they have CSS tutorials, they have JavaScript tutorials, Python, PHP, Bootstrap, more than you could ever want right now. We're going to focus on HTML for now. So in the HTML tutorial, there are many things you can look at here. Styling, paragraphs, headings, so on and so forth. What I'm going to just show you, just for the sake of how to use their resource, is I'm going to look at the colors. So here they've got different names that you can use, but if you just scroll down, they give you different titles: color names, background color, text color, border colors, so on and so forth. You can use color values. What I'm going to do is just show you one of these. So if we just look at the background color, for example, this is just a snippet of their code, but if you click on try it yourself, that shows everything. They don't have the head here because they're just building their website within their own document, in their own builder. But inside the body, they show you the text and they show you the tags that they're using. So for example, if we wanted to make a background color for an H1 tag, I could copy and paste this code right into my program. So if I copy this, I'm going to copy and paste it. I'm going to copy it, Command C, so I highlighted it, Command C copies it. If I go into my REPL, I'm going to add that here. I'll put it below, inside of this, put it here. So now this H1 is inside of my program. If I run it, I'll have my background, hello world, just like they said, Dodger Blue. But remember, we're not putting our style in the HTML, we're putting it inside of the CSS. So I'm going to move this background color into my CSS. So I'll copy that for now. Command C to copy again. I'm going to copy that for now because I want to put this in my style. So I'll just say hello style, because that will style my hello world. Okay, if I go into the CSS, then I'm going to, this is my hello style, and I spelled it wrong. That will make it not work. And in the curly brace, I will paste the background color. Now in CSS does not require the quotations, so I'll delete that quote, and it gives me Dodger Blue. If I run it, nothing has changed, but I'm keeping my style all in the CSS, and I'm keeping my content in the HTML.